Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm task and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 2, C is 4 and D is 16. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about the what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PEMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket, or you can say the parenthesis. So what we have to do, we have to go for next step. And here we have exponent part and order of operation. So now we have to solve this part. But in this expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step now. Now we have to go for division and multiplication. Both we will solve simultaneously, and you can say the multiplication and division. You cannot say I'm using the palm task, so I will solve first this multiplication. And you cannot say I'm using the BODMAS, so I will do first the division. No, the rule is same for both. You have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have here 42 divided by 7. So first of all, we will divide 42 divided by 7, which is equals to 6, multiply by 8 and divided by 3. Here we will write. And here we have to give the reference like this one become this. Now again we have to go left to right to solve the all multiplication and division. So now this time we have, now this one we have solved, and this time we have the multiplication first. So we will multiply these two terms, 16 minus 6 multiplied by 8. So when we will multiply these two terms, so we will get the answer is 48 and divided by again 3, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 6 multiply 6 multiplied by 8 equals to 48. Now move forward. Step number 3 we will again repeat because we have another division. So this is 16 minus 48 divided by 3. So it becomes 1/6. And here we have to give the reference like 48 divided by 3 equals to 1/6. And here we have two terms which are same each other but opposite in sign. So this becomes the 0. 16 minus 16 becomes the 0. So answer of the given expression is 0. If you see the answer list, answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.